Welcome to your first step in Arabic. By the end of this session, you will be able to construct and speak complete multi-part Arabic sentences. We are focusing entirely on the spoken word. You won't need to learn the alphabet or practice writing to start communicating today. There are 3 rules for this masterclass. First, stay physically relaxed. A comfortable state helps you absorb and retain new phonetic patterns. Second, you must speak the words out loud. Hearing your own voice is the only way to build the necessary muscle memory. Third, do not be shy. Treat this session as a private, one-on-one coaching environment and answer every prompt confidently. By engaging vocally rather than just listening, you move from a passive observer to an active speaker. Let's build your first sentence. Most clear communication begins with a simple 2-part foundation: the person speaking and the action they want to take. The Arabic word for I is ana. It is composed of 2 simple syllables, a, na, ana. Now it is your turn. Say the word ana out loud. The word for want is urid. Let's break it down. U-reed, urid. Now you practice it out loud. Urid. When we combine them, we get the phrase I want. In Arabic, ana urid. This 2-word foundation provides the structural starting point for expressing your personal needs as you continue to learn the language. To make this foundation useful, we need to add an object, a target for what you want. The word for this or it is dhalik. Use a soft the sound, similar to the beginning of the English word the, dhalik. If we say ana urid dhalik, the transition between the words feels abrupt. In natural speech, these words should flow together. We solve this with an O vowel bridge, a phonetic hook to connect the words. Now, I want this becomes ana urido dhalik. Say it out loud, focusing on that smooth O connection. Ana urido dhalik. To refuse something, we use the word for no or don't, which is la. Place la at the very beginning of your sentence to change the meaning to I don't want this. La uridu dhalik. Mastering the vowel bridge is a key step in moving away from a word-by-word translation toward the natural rhythm of the language. Often, we want to express an action we intend to take rather than just a physical object. The word for learn is atalam. It has 3 parts: a, tal, lum, atalam. By adding the preposition un, we create the phrase to learn, un atalam. Now connect this to your foundation to say I want to learn. Ana urid an atalam. Repeat that out loud. Finally, we add the target of our study, Arabic or al-Arabiya. Let's assemble the full thought. We are stacking the foundation, the action, and the target to form one complete sentence. Take a breath and say the full sentence. Ana urid an atalam al-Arabiya. By treating the language as a set of functional blocks, you have successfully moved from single words to a structured, multi-part sentence. In this single session, you have transitioned from having no prior knowledge to speaking a complete, multi-part sentence in Arabic. You have learned to express a specific intention with ana urid an atalam al-Arabiya and a clear refusal with la uridu dhalik. To keep these sounds fresh, say these phrases out loud throughout your day. Now that you understand the structure, our next session will focus on expanding the variety of words you can plug into these sentence blocks. Language mastery begins with the courage to speak. You've taken that first step today. Assalamu alaikum.